teach you how to make gajar ka halwa or gajrela or Indian carrot pudding. Gajar ka halwa or Indian carrot pudding is basically prepared with ghee, sugar, carrots, cardamom and milk. It is basically Punjabi dessert, widely popular in North India, especially during winter season and Diwali. This nutritious gajar ka halwa can be enjoyed with can be enjoyed both or cold, but I personally love my gajar ka halwa hot. This gajar ka halwa it's a different ways of making gajar ka halwa. Some make it with evaporated milk and some others used condensed milk, but in my version I use whole milk actually, which is how my mom has been making it as long as I can remember. But this is very nutritious. Gajar ka halwa is very nutritious, and especially it's a excellent source of vitamin A. For this sweet dessert, you can go crazy as you want with sugar or ghee. However, my version, I can use 3 TBSP ghee and minimal amount of sugar. This is a very nutritious and especially rich source of vitamin A. And so if you are a vegan, then you can simply replace whole milk with cashew milk, and sugar you can replace with this coconut sugar. So without wasting time, let's get started our part 2 Durga Puja special or Diwali special gajar ka halwa. So ingredients for our gajar ka halwa or Indian carrot pudding, we need this is peeled and shredded carrots. This is our dry fruits, like this is cashew, pistachio and raisin. This is 5 TBSP sugar. This is cardamom powder. This is 1 liter milk. This is 3 TBSP ghee, and for garnish we need some dry fruits. This is pistachio and cashews. So let's just start our today's recipe, gajar ka halwa. So for gajar ka halwa, we have some carrots. This is peel and shredded carrots. So for that you can use shredder, or you can do it by hand, or you can also use food processor. So this is our carrots. You can see. Heat a wok on medium heat. So I'm adding 1 TBSP ghee. So right now I'm adding carrots. And saute for about 10 minutes until the color of the carrot changes. Stirring to avoid burning. And this is flavor of love. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. So heat another wok, and now I'm adding whole milk. That is 1 liter whole milk. So this is our whole milk. It's totally your choice. want to boil the milk, so you can always, but if you don't want, then you can simply add milk, and after that you can add carrots. But in my version, I'm gonna boil milk little bit, 7 to 8 minutes maximum. Now I'm adding carrots to the milk. This gajar ka halwa, this Indian carrot pudding is a very nutritious, excellent source of vitamin A, and it's very popular in North India during the winter season and Diwali, also Durga Puja. So keep stirring and avoid sticking and burning. And so once all the milk is absorbed, then right now I'm gonna add my sugar, that is 5 TBSP sugar. And immediately I'm adding 1 TSP ghee and keep stirring. Now keep stirring until all the water is absorbed. This will take around 5 to 6 minutes. All the water, which is left behind the sugar, totally absorbed. So this time I'm going to add half TSP cardamom powder. Mix very well. Nice gajar ka halwa. Nice aroma comes out. And finally I'm going to add my chopped dry fruits. This is cashew, pistachio, some raisins. Mix well. And I'm going to add 1 TSP ghee. All the ingredients, carrots, dry fruits, ghee, sugar. Oh, nice color, nice. Yes. Okay, I already added 5 TSP sugar. So if you want more sweet, then you can add more sugar. Or if you don't want, then you can simply add less quantity sugar, less amount of sugar. But in my version, I have already added 5 TSP sugar. As per your preference. So try roast the carrot pudding for a couple of more minutes, so the color of the carrots this side slightly darken slightly. So now I'm gonna turn off the gas. delicious, flavorful, gluten-free, and perfect for festivals. गाजर का हलवा. And now I'm gonna garnish with some cashews. You can also use almonds. So this is our today's special Durga Puja special or upcoming Diwali special gajar ka halwa. This is perfectly done. This is so flavorful, delicious, and the smell awesome. Nice smell comes out, and this is also nutritious and excellent source of vitamin A. So this is our gajar ka halwa or Indian carrot pudding or gajrela. So I hope you all guys are really enjoyed my video, today's gajar ka halwa video. So if you guys like my video, then please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Okay, bye bye.